नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you with my love and respect for this live broadcast of Akashic Readings, the revelation of the cosmic archives that's happening here through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. So I welcome all of you for this live broadcast. You can ask me any questions that you are having regarding the different power manifestations or different Shaktis that we are manifesting or anything about the Akashic Readings itself. You can ask me all those questions and I can answer all of those questions live to you. You can just post it in the comments box and I will answer live to you. So once again I welcome all of you. Nityanandam to all of you. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. So just for the people who are new. Okay, so we have a question from Sampath Kumaran. How was my future? Anything about the future. So that's what I was about to tell. Akashic readings are the revelation of the cosmic archives. The cosmic archives has everything from past, present and future. Everything is recorded in it. So now whatever you want to ask about your future, you can ask in the Akashic readings and the Balasans will just be able to read out what your future is going to be. So my suggestion is go and get your Akashic readings done. The registration form is available. You can register in that and get your Akashic readings done. So any questions that you are having, you can post it in the comments now and you can get them answered live now. I'll be answering it to any questions that may be about why power manifestation or anything like that. I don't know what kind of questions you will be having. You can ask me all those questions and I'll be able to answer it to you live now. And now for past few days there's actually so many intense happenings that's going on here. Starting from the different types of way how the kids are manifesting powers, different ways they're expressing it. The same power they express it in so many ways. Length is just one dimension, but playing with that length is being expressed in so many ways. Breadth is also another dimension. So like playing with the breadth also, people are just expressing in such an amazing way. In different ways they're just playing with it. See, though the science might be the same, but what way they're expressing it is amazing. And I thank all of you who are sharing this video, so that because this video, when people are watching about all these live happenings, they get enriched more. So I thank Pandur Rangaya for sharing this video, and thanks for all the responses and the reactions that you guys are giving. Ravi Melbourne, please talk to Tamil. Oh, you want me to talk in Tamil? You have any question, like you want to personally get an answer only in Tamil, then you just post it in like inboxes. We'll be able to answer it to you. Just inboxes in our Nityananda Gurukul page. We'll be able to answer it to you. When will I'm sorry, I'm not able to read your name, but when will I be able to attend IA? See, even this question also, it's best if you ask in the Akashic readings. Because in the Akashic readings, they'll be able to reveal everything exactly, even including the time when you will be able to come and join. So it's best to have, if you're asking in Akashic. Then Rohit Sankla, Mataji, you understand Hindi. You have any question in Hindi, you post it, I'll answer it to you. Yeah, because in Gurukul, we're even trained to learn so many different languages. Not just me, but all the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. We all are trained in so many different languages. And because of Swamiji's intense initiations, we even started downloading languages. Like, very recently, we had this downloading of books. And kids who don't know the Telugu, there was a person who didn't know, had an idea about this Telugu language, never knew to write. He started writing in Telugu. And one more kid never knew Spanish. He was answering things in Spanish. And I knew Kannada, but when like the book was hidden from me, and I was asked to, I was not told the language of the book, nor I was told what book they were heading. And I was supposed to describe the book and write it. So I was simply able to see the whole thing, like, script in Kannada, and I was able to write it. So like this, so many different languages get downloaded into us. A kid who didn't know how to read Tamil, she was able to read Tamil when she was blindfolded. So all these like amazing things happen here. It's mystical for so many of you, but that's the way the lifestyle is here. So I understand Hindi. You can, if you have any question in Hindi, post in Hindi, and I can answer it to you.
5 years.
And also I wanted to tell all of you one more thing. Anything that you are having, if you think that something is stopping you from manifesting something, or you have anything in you, post it. There's no problem. You post it in the comments and you can get them answered. But don't post personal things. Because it's your personal things. You can directly ask in the Akashic readings. That's what people do. So many personal things they ask in the Akashic readings and they get them answered live. Like the kid answers, and it is like so much magic. For example, I have no idea about your background. I don't know who you are. But when you are coming to me for Akashic reading, I'll be able to, and you're asking me some personal question telling like, what should I do for doing this career? And my response to you will be what you've done earlier and what is that you're supposed to do. So the whole Akashic reading will be as if the person has just lived with you for such a long time, knowing each and every intricacy of your life. That's the way the kid will be speaking to you. One more question from Rohit. How to attend IA program? Ravi Melbourne is also asking a question. I'll just answer that question and I'll come to you. How to attend IA program? See, IA Inner Awakening is a 21-day program where your whole being, like how we are manifesting these powers, we get to know who we are. That's what even you will experience. It's one of the, you have to attend that if you want to know who you are. If you also want to have all these different experiences. So you getting to know about yourself, you making transforming your life is in your hands now. All that you need to do is go to nityananda.org. In that, the whole thing of the Inner Awakening registration form is there. Sign up in that form and decide to manifest everything. The whole money will manifest it for you. Hold on to the intention that you want to attend and you want to manifest the real self of you through you. Then you'll see simply this program, the Inner Awakening program happens to you. Okay, we have one more question from Ravi Melbourne. Mataji, உங்களுக்கு பின்னால் என்ன நடக்குது என்று சொல்லுங்கள். Okay, so I'll translate it to you. So here Ravi Melbourne is asking me to describe what is happening behind me. See, what is happening right behind me now? See, I'm sitting on this live Akashic reading stage where continuously the adolescents are doing Akashic readings. The first kid whom you're able to see was sitting with a laptop. That kid is actually doing the Akashic reading for some other country, and he's conducting an online session and doing the Akashic reading there. And after that, like next to him, you're able to see few more adolescents sitting. They're continuously revealing Akashic reading for people who are coming here physically. So actually the whole stage, I'm just showing you a part of the stage. The whole stage is filled with so many adolescents who are continuously manifesting this power and helping out the people, answering all their questions. And the deity that you're able to see behind me is Swamiji's deity. We call that as a Nayakar Murti. This Swamiji Murti is what we use for manifesting the power of Akashic reading. Whatever question that we have, we get in the Akashic reading, we just ask the deity, and on the deity, it will appear as golden letters which we'll be able to see only through the third eye. Okay, my name is Srijit. Money is obstacle for me from attending IA. Okay. Understand one thing, money can never be an obstacle. Whatever is becoming an obstacle, if you're telling money is an obstacle, you look in, it's not your money, it's something, a part of you within you is not willing to attend. don't worry. You go to Nityananda.org website. There is a form called as the IA intention form. Sign up into that. Tell your problem there, and you'll just get it solved. Emil is asking another question. Nityanandam, I'm 20 years old, turning 21 late May 2017. Can I still join Gurukul? And could you elaborate more on what I would get out of it, even if it is only for a couple of months? I think you can join Gurukul, but you just inbox us about your details. We'll contact you. What you can get out of Gurukul? God. It's like asking if I'm dropped into an ocean of nectar and just take a little sip. What is that I get out of it? You get your life back to you. You know who you are. I'm not joking. The whole stress-free lifestyle that we are living here is what makes each one of us so graceful every day. I'm telling you, the way the whole life is here, the whole lifestyle is here. Everything is continuously adding up more and more joy, more and more bliss, and showing us who we are, showing the different possibilities that we have within ourselves. This is an amazing thing. Each one of us experience this in different ways. I tell you, have you ever seen any kid praising so happy about their school? There may be a bunch of kids out of the whole school. Here, I challenge you, there will not be one kid who will be complaining about the school, because it's not a school, it's the best lifestyle that we have been gifted to. It's an amazing thing. And what all you can get out of it is, you will not have the negative peer pressure. I tell you, you yourselves know how much each one of us torture ourselves with this negative thought currents, negative peer pressure. We will be wanting something, we will be wanting to do something, but we'll not be able to do it because of so many reasons. Out of that, sometimes the main reason is because the friends may not accept it, the society may not accept it. We'll have so many such reasons. It'll be a torture for you, even like if you're studying in a university, and you know these are all the benefits if I do all these things. But you avoid yourself from doing all those just because your society does not accept it, or just because your friends do not accept it. It may be a moral thing, but your friends may not like it. You force yourself to do few things just because your friends want you to do it. I've seen so many people get addicted to drugs because their friends want them to do it. God. They smoke because their friends want them to do it. That negative peer pressure, that whole negative peer pressure will be removed out of you. You will be a leader for yourself. You'll see your way of life, how you want it to be, will only be here. I had this problem of this peer pressure outside. When I was about to, like before I joined Gurukul, I used to know that how Kumkum helps me. I not exactly the right college, but I wanted to put Kumkum, but I used to avoid it just because the friends around me used to never wear it. They never called it as a style, or they never accepted that as a modern thing. I was so into that peer pressure that I didn't put it, though I know that is my lifestyle. But after coming here, that whole problem disappeared. I never had that problem of peer pressure, that negative peer pressure at all in me. And now I am able to make a statement to all my friends outside, how each thing helps me. I am able to manifest so many different powers, so many things. You will get your life back to you. What other statement do you expect me to tell? So, it is the best thing you can get. So you have any questions, you can post it and I can answer it to you live. Right now, post it in the comments box and I'll answer it to you. Dimitra Coloni is asking a question. Nityanandam, can you give me a direction of where my job seeking and funnel raising for IA must start from? Nothing I manifested so far. Okay, Dimitra, you be clear with yourself. Understand, decide clearly what is the thing you are going to get out of this IA program. Why do you need it? What will happen to you if you attend it? Be very clear with this context and continue to hold on to your intention. There will be so many ups and downs. I tell you, I have in 2014 December, there was an inner awakening program in Cambodia, and I wanted to go there, and my whole program I wanted to go, but it was like everything was an obstacle for me. Other than time, everything was an obstacle for me. I didn't have money, I didn't have passport, I didn't have permission from my relatives because it's another country. I didn't have the visa, I didn't have anything, I didn't have the flight tickets. But I was very clear that I have to go there. I wanted to be around Swamiji, I wanted to go there, I wanted to experience that space along with Swamiji. And I was clear with that. I didn't do anything else. I just left it. I told Swamiji will take care. I don't need to worry about this. Let him do it. Let him manifest it for me. I'm serious. I did nothing for it. I didn't have even 10% of what I wanted to manifest for this. I didn't have that much money. Suddenly, from nowhere, exactly how much is needed for me for manifesting this IA to me. Exactly that much money got credited in the loan, in the bank, and came for me. I was like, okay, it was too much for me. Then, after some time, my passport, that was a huge obstacle because I had 4 days left for me to manifest for this IA. I had attended IA, just 4 more days were left. And when I went to the passport office, they were telling that I have to wait for another week for getting my passport renewal done. That was too much for me. I didn't know what to do. All I did is, okay, you tell like this, but I know I'm going to go. Let Swamiji take care of me. I was just clear with that. I just left a thought there. You won't believe, the previous day evening, 6:30, the whole renewal thing, all the registration and all got over. Next day morning, around 10 o'clock in the morning, I heard a bell. I heard the doorbell ring. I ran outside. I ran and opened the door. I saw a postman with an envelope. I normally took it and signed, and I took it. When I opened it, I was shocked. It had my passport in it. What I told it'll take 1 week came not even 1 day, just half a day, just few hours. And it was too much for me. Because what I wanted just manifested for me. Same way, the flight ticket, it was all blocked. We needed 2 tickets, one for me and one for my mom. And we just held the mala and told Swamiji, you will take care. I know. Immediately it manifested. Suddenly that guy is telling what 2 tickets are empty. Who was searching for past 1 hour? We didn't have any ticket in all the airlines. Again I told, no, go back to this airlines, check it there again. Swamiji will take care of us. Immediately 2 tickets came. I know it's too much for me also. So all that you need to do is hold on to the intention. Suddenly you will see whole beautifully it will manifest. Come to the Akashic readings. Now you have Akashic reading benefit also. Come here, ask the blessing of Kalabhairava here, and exactly Kalabhairava will tell you how you will manifest it also. But never give up, don't lose your intention. The way the whole Cambodia manifested for me was starting with so many obstacles. My health was not fine, so many things were not fine. So the whole thing is just hold on to that intention. Know very clearly Swamiji will manifest it for you. You will see, you will be in this program coming February IA if you are holding on to your intention. Get the blessings of Kalabhairava and you will be here. Okay, we have a few more comments. Vinay Vino, a center image of Guruji, which I took in Tiruvannamalai. Did you see? I didn't see. Okay. Agora Shiva Shakti Sadashivam. Yes, Sadashivaham. Nityanandam to all of you. You post questions. If you have any questions, post it now and I can answer it to you live. Any questions that may be about the different Shaktis manifestations, and you just post it to me whenever I'm available, like live, so that I can answer it to you live. Because if you post it in the comments, then I have to like it will be like a group of us sitting and typing it out. Instead of that, you can get live answers. So you any further questions also, you can ask me live now itself. So you can ask me any questions right now live here itself. And I saw, like, if you want your kid to join Gurukul, your relatives' kid to join Gurukul, anyone to join Gurukul, please send your contact details to us, inboxes. So we'll be able to contact you, and we'll be able to guide you further, like how to join Gurukul. And I thank all of you who are sharing this video and enriching more people. I thank all of you for this. And I thank all the people who are watching this video and commenting also, like getting your questions answered. I thank all of you. Any questions that you're having, you can post it. Claudia is asking a question. The feeling of oneness is a feeling of love. Is love and oneness the same? Actually, if you see, what we call as love is not love. Just the sharing of attention is not love. That's why, otherwise, the statement of I love him more than her, those statements will never come. Even telling that person loves me but I don't love him, or I love him and he doesn't love me, or we both love each other, all these three statements are false. Because all these three statements can never exist. Because real love, as Claudia you're telling, real love is the space of oneness. You experience everyone, you and the people around you, everyone from the same source. You will have that feeling, like how exactly you're describing. It will feel like the feeling of love only, but it will be towards everyone, or at least whomsoever is around you, everything. That space of oneness, that experience of oneness. So of course it starts slowly from the people around you, with the person first, then a few people, then with the things, or with the space around you. Then you expand, and the whole thing, everyone, you'll start feeling that same oneness. That's actually an amazing thing. That's why because if that oneness is there, that's why Claudia, you see, whenever you go for a darshan, or whenever you go next to Swamiji for initiation, how do you feel? Would it just be the feeling of love that you have towards a normal human? Whatever space you go from, when you go next to him, how will you feel it? Such intense, sudden love, sudden oneness, right? You might have been having so many problems, so many things running in your head. When you go next to him, yes, you feel love. That intense love. Huge love, yes. Anything, that love, that space of oneness that manifests through you, at that point, how you feel about yourself at that point, you will not even have any near image. That is the real you. It's just a glimpse of the real you. And that space you experience is the oneness space. During the energy darshan, how you forget everything when you go next to him. That intense love that you feel in you. That is the space of oneness. Sumita is asking a question. One kid to join Gurukul from Mauritius. Can I have more details, please? Yes, ma'am. You can send it. Send your details. Actually, send your contact details to us. We'll contact you about Gurukul. Just inbox us in this Nityananda Gurukul page. We'll be able to contact you. I thank all of you for joining me live today. So further questions, like every day when I come live, you can ask me the questions that you want to join your kid to Gurukul, or any details about this, you can send your contact details to us and we'll be able to contact you. Just inbox us in this Nityananda Gurukul page. And any further questions that you have, post it in these comments, or every day I'll come live, you can ask me that. An Akashic reading registration form is also available in this page, or I'll share it with you again, so that all of you can register and have your Akashic readings done. Thank you all. Today I'm coming to today's conclusion of today's session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। सर्वं सद्गुरुपादुकार्पणमस्तु। ओम नित्यानंदम। थैंक यू।